Hey, what's up guys? It's Cliff with Trail Grid Pro. Super pumped to be back with you today. It's another Vinyl Fox day. Vinyl Fox is the leader in vehicle-specific vinyl solutions for your Toyota vehicle. And today, we're gonna kick it over to Joe for another install to make your vehicle your own.
All right, Toyota fans, we got you covered. TRD Heritage stripe for the front nose of the 2024 Land Cruiser. This kit's super simple to install. You probably don't need any instructions. In the kit, you're gonna get an alcohol swab to prep the surface, and of course, the design that you choose. We have over 10 options available on the site. Install, we're gonna start, open up your little alcohol swab. We're just gonna prep the surface. Give that a quick wipe down. All right, once you've prepped the surface, go ahead and peel it off, and we're just going to do a dry install. Line up and then fold over just to the front edge here. We like to line ours up with the second slot of this grill on the far left side right here. So what I like to do, get this top edge lined up first, and then kind of eyeball where that matches and tack down that top like that, and then you can run your finger down like this and fold it right over, and it should perfectly fit. It's that simple. We just added a little TRD splash of color on the front end. Till next time, keep it stupid simple.
All right guys, as you can see, Joe has laid out everything for your Toyota so that you can have a successful install in your driveway or garage. This is a complete DIY solution with all of the extras that you need in order to nail this the first time. If you're looking to pick this up, you can grab it at www.trailgridpro.com. And as always guys, have a blast out there.